Hey, it's Craig here again. Continuing on with the 575xp, the Husqvarnq 575xp. I've tore into it a little bit farther now. Found some bad things, really. I'm going to have to make up my mind now just how much money I want to put into the saw if I want to bring it back. Show you what I found. Still haven't got it broken in half yet, but move the camera here. Again, sorry for the shakiness. Let's see, get my eyes on here. Let's see if I can't show you what I found. First off, I'm taking it apart, got the oil pump off. Part of the case, this is what the oil pump sits onto, is actually broke off, just laying underneath the oil pump. And I hope you can see this, but the outer race actually spins. The outer race of the bearing is actually spinning in the crankcase half. That is not good. I don't think the bearing itself is bad as far as on the internals of it, but the movement is the outer race of the bearing actually moving in the crankcase half. I've not looked to see what case halves are costing, so I'm going to have to try to figure out what a case half is going to cost, see if I can even find one. If not, then this is going to become a parts saw. And that's a shame because the top end of it was actually in really good shape. But I'll definitely be able to get my money back out of it. I'll be able to get $15 out of the parts. Okay, that was just a short little update on what I'd found with it. Thought y'all might like to see that. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.